Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead video. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home job leads and bringing them straight to you on a daily basis. If you enjoy any of these job leads, please like and share with your friends and family so that we can all be working from home, living our best, happy, healthy lives. But for today's job lead, we have the very popular skincare brand Paula's Choice. If you've heard of them, you've probably heard of them through the beauty community. They are all over YouTube, all over Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. They are hiring a order specialist. They also have this labeled as a CSR. I'm not sure if that stands for customer service representative or client services representative, client specialist representative. On their Glassdoor page, I found multiple job titles, but that is what they are hiring for. The brand itself has been around for 26 years, and they are looking for someone to provide basic order information, research complex concerns, and have strong skills in customer service, data entry, and research ability. As an order or CSR specialist, you will spend up to 8 hours on phone calls with customers 5 days a week, so this is a full-time job. You'll resolve customer inquiries each day via phone, email, and chat. They have customer questions come in through all mediums. You'll process orders, prepare correspondence, and enter client orders into the system with accuracy. You'll handle shipping, tracking, and delivery inquiries. So if customers call in wanting to know where their package is. So you need to be friendly, empathetic, and professional, and keep composure under stressful situations. Now, this is fully remote within the United States. The hours are Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and they ask that you have flexibility outside of those hours if business needs require that. Now, it does say that they are offering a robust benefits package, including health, vision, dental, retirement, and more. They offer a flexible spending account, employee assistance programs. They offer fitness perks, meditation app membership, and much more. You get product samples and discounts, and it says generous PTO is also included. Now, they are looking for someone who has a minimum of 1 year experience in customer service, resolving customer inquiries either via phone, email, and chat. Someone who can multitask, ability to hold yourself accountable, someone who has a high school diploma or equivalent, but no college degree is required, and someone who has basic Microsoft Office skills, and also accurate and fast data entry skills are required. Now, of course, this position, like a lot of them, did not list the salary. You will have to ask that at the time of interview, but I did find on their Glassdoor page an array of customer service or client service job titles, and it looks like for their customer service at Paula's Choice, they pay anywhere from $34,000 a year, seems to be the minimum, all the way up to about $50,000 a year, and then they have some customer support titles that even go up to $64,000 a year. So just note $34,000 to $60,000 a year. That's a wide pay range, but that is an estimate. I'll leave the Glassdoor page linked down below with the job link if you want to check it out in more detail. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.